Today we're making egg rolls. Egg rolls are so fun. So you need to make egg rolls in your house so that you know what your children are eating and you're not eating funny mixtures outside. And egg roll is very easy to make because you don't have to wait for any rising period. Just boil your eggs first. Alright, and make sure that everything you're mixing is room temperature, meaning if it's in the fridge, bring it and keep it outside. Let it warm up a little bit and come to room temp before you now start using it. Okay, so all dry ingredients I mixed together with the butter to get that crumbly texture, and then I added in my wet ingredients. All ingredients are listed in the ingredient list. So you now want to mix this thoroughly to be slightly wet, but like not wet like puff puff. Okay, so you want to mix this very well and then let it sit. You can let it sit for just like 5 minutes just for gluten to form, so it's easier for you to roll, or you can just go straight ahead. There are no rules with egg roll as with other baked goods. So you want to mix it till it looks like this. All right, and then come back for a few. I just left it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I was peeling the eggs. Okay, so now you're going to just work it. You can sprinkle a little bit of flour so it's easier to work with and it doesn't overstick to your hand. All right, I kept hitting my camera because I was filming without a pod. I kept hitting my camera, so sorry. I think I did 3 tries to get the folding method. What you want to do is just cover the dough with the egg, that's all. Can you see how this first dough is very wet? This is before I sprinkled extra flour on it. If you're going to do that, that means you're frying immediately, because if your dough is very wet, it's going to affect the taste of your egg roll. For example, if you have very wet dough that you didn't add flour to, your egg roll will have breaks. You know what I mean by breaks, like when you're frying and the dough pops open. If you want very flat egg roll, that means you want the body of the egg roll to be smooth. You need to knead your dough well. Knead your dough. Knead it flat, not just the stretching by hand that I'm doing. You need it. The oil for frying your egg roll is not supposed to be super hot though. It's just supposed to be hot. Like, can you see how as I drop the egg roll, it's not like it's not sizzling. That's how it should be, so that it can fry all the way through. So if your egg roll dough is very thick, the cover you used to cover an egg is very thick, please make sure. In fact, in general, when you're frying egg roll, your oil is not supposed to be super hot. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, your oil should cover the roll so that it can fry properly. Number 3, I do not know a healthy way to fry egg roll. Please, before you ask in the interactive comment section, I don't know any healthy way to fry egg roll. This is the way that I know that you fry it. You eat it and you get fat. That is all. Okay, so eat it in moderation, you will not get fat. So yes, you just want to make sure that your dough covers this egg. This egg roll, the egg that we use for egg roll is the small one. So if you're going to do egg roll, don't go and fight the vendor for big egg. For egg rolls, we use small eggs. Please do not go and put half egg in your egg roll. Please don't shame me and my students. Please don't put half egg. For our integrity, please do not put half egg inside your egg roll. And if you are having extra dough, see what I'm doing here. If you're having extra dough, please put it aside or just fry it as a little buns on its own. Don't force it. But if you're going to force it, make sure that your oil is not too hot so that it can fry thoroughly. Okay, so you just want to mold this so that it will be a bit round and cute. Okay, so that it's not be square or funny shaped. That's all about it. And then you just keep turning it in the oil. If you can use vegetable oil for this. I have not fried egg roll with any other type of oil. I've not fried it with coconut oil. I've not fried it with any other oil. It's only this oil that I have used. Okay, so I opened one for you to see. That is why you let your oil go through, so you fry it. So this is what I mean by peeking through. So fry this till golden brown and enjoy.